and welcome back to Nguru the Guru. It's another fine week, and this week I'm going to be showing you a new extension that I found out on VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So I'm using Windows on and Visual Studio Code, and the new extension is called the Thunder client. So if you don't already have the extension, just go to extensions and search for Thunder client. It has a Thunder, this one here, which has the purple color. So I have an Node.js backend server, which I'm just going to start. Just a moment, so that we can start the server and clear that. And then, as you know, with Node, it's just Node and server, and that should start it. So the backend server is connected to a MongoDB, and the MongoDB, and it's on a port 3500. So you can just take that down. So long as it's running, you're good. So just click on Thunder client. So Thunder client is an application that I was quite ecstatic to find out about, or an extension, because it's like an alternative, or it's a substitute for Postman, the one that is used for testing endpoints. So I noticed now with the Visual Studio Code, you just need the extension Thunder client, and you can test all your endpoints now from your workstation. So like, for example, as you can see, it has collections, environmental variables, just like Postman. So I have a few collections here. You can see I have an employee API, I have authentication where I can register, authenticate, get an access token, and also log out and all that, and the refresh token. So I'd just like to show you how I test my endpoints after finding out about Thunder client. So I just go to authenticate. You can click on that. You can click on that and close it, or use B. So this is a user Brett and the password. So let me just send it. I should be able to get the roles that I have in my DB, because we have the user role, and we have the admin role, and the editor. So what I need is this access token, and for some reason, guys, I cannot be able to copy a particular text using Thunder client. Once you guys test, please let me know whether it's an issue with my Visual Studio Code, or it's something I'm getting wrong. You can comment in the comment section and tell me how to go about it, because I cannot, for example, I can't copy just that. I need to copy this whole thing, go to my notepad, and just paste that in, because I need only the token on this other end, because I need to use this as the bearer token. So let me just copy it up to there, copy, then I can go back to Visual Studio Code. So now, what else do I need? So I've already authenticated myself. I don't need to register and log out. Those are just endpoints I have. So I have an employee database or collection with a few documents. So let me just first get all the employees. And note, I have set 5 minutes for the access token to expire. So I believe 5 minutes will be enough for us to test. So I need first to go to the authentication and paste my bearer token there. Let me also do the same for the add employee, because I do not want to lose it, and the bearer token is the same. And also go to the update on auth, so that now you do not need to paste it again. On delete as well, auth, paste it there. Then get a specific employee, so paste it there exactly. So now I'll go to get employees. You have seen that I have added in the bearer token, then just send the link. So I should get the list of employees. So currently I only have one document, that with the ID and the name Josh Kibanda. So I can add another employee. So on the body, you can see I have first name Josh Abidi Kimandaski. Let me just call him that, and then I've already pasted the auth token. So let me just send. So I should get back the same result what I have added in the body. So the endpoint is working, and you can see to one created. So let me go to check all the employees again, and you can see now we have two, Josh BD and Kimandaski. So, and we have Kibanda. So now let me update who do I update? Let me update the one that I've added, Josh Kibd. So I also have to copy it. That is the issue I'm facing, guys, with my Danda client. I don't know why I can't just copy a single variable. So I just need this copy. Then I need to come here, and on the body, no, not on the body, where am I? Update on the body. I need to change the ID to, that is ID. So I want to change his first name to bigman code. So send. So let's see processing. Yeah, we see now he's called, his first name is bigman code. Then the last endpoint I would like to not the last one, but before I delete him, let me just get the specific employee. I need to put his ID here, and also remember we had the auth token pasted in. So let's see, we get a specific employee. Yeah, we get bigman code Kimaraski. So let's delete him. So on the body, just go to the ID, I need that, then paste there. And you remember the auth, we have already pasted it in, so you take that in. Please wait, it's authenticating, and you get back the response to 100. Okay, so let's get the employees and see whether he's still available. We hope the time is not out yet. Yeah, okay, so we have one employee. So guys, that is all I wanted to show. This extension has been really educational for me, and I've loved it because I did not have to install something else on my laptop. So now just go check out Danda client. It has purple colors here, Danda client, and you can get the documentation, you can get how to use it, and it's as simple as that. It's the same as Postman. So thank you guys, see you next week.